This is very interesting. Okay, so we're going to talk about a Shiba Inu price prediction, but really what we're going to talk about here is we're going to talk about how kind of the landscape is laying out for the current kind of retracement that we've got going on for Shiba Inu. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here, right now, as of the recording of this video, SHIB is down about 8.29%. Okay, now with that said, here's what's interesting. Okay, so we've got a situation playing out because of this retracement, which some technical analysis out there pointed to. Okay, it could be a pretty significant opportunity for a 50+% upswing from here. Okay, now this is per some technical analysis. So here we go. Okay, so we have basically are in a downswing. Now we're in a downswing here because of the overall macro factor here. There's nothing weird or bad going on with Shiba Inu. Okay, there's not. This is a macro scenario. We've got uncertainty predominantly around inflation. We've got the European Union's come out. Their inflation's hit a 25-year all-time high. We've got here in the United States where we're awaiting the Federal Reserve decision that's going to happen at the end of September, and it's pretty much split down the middle as far as people. Half the people out there think it's going to be a 50 basis point raise. The other half think it's going to be a 75 basis point. My point to you is it's split down the middle. That creates uncertainty. Uncertainty is pushing and weighing down on the entire crypto market. Shiba Inu is being impacted by that as well. Okay, so we could move down and retest to that 130 level. Okay, so we're at 1484 right now. Okay, let me move this over here so we can get it right there. Okay, so and a daily candlestick below 118 would invalidate this bullish thesis that I'm about to tell you about. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so we know what happened over this last weekend. We spiked to a 40% single day move up, and we settled at a gain of 33%. We basically I thought we hit a 1774, but this says we did hit a swing high at 180. So, but we did hit 1774. Here's the key. Okay. So SHIB has been retracing, which could be a result of investors booking profits. I think we've got that going on. So I think right here you've got investors booking profits, number one. Number two, you've got the volatility around kind of what's going on with inflation kind of globally, the news coming out, things of that nature. Okay, so the move is likely going to continue until SHIB reaches a stable support level at 130. That's the number to be aware of, okay? In some cases, Shiba Inu might dig a little deeper to retest the 118. If we go below that 4 zeros and 118, then that invalidates this. Okay, now here's where it gets interesting. Okay, so to bounce off these two levels, where interested investors can look to catch the next potential rally. That's the lead story. So if we're looking at kind of that 130 range, that's the range that a lot of investors are looking to kind of eye to get back into Shiba Inu. Okay. That's my point. All right. So when they get back into that, then we could expect Shiba Inu price to either create an equal high at 180, the previous high that we hit on Sunday 4 or 5 days ago, or slice through that hurdle of 180 and hit the 4 zeros and the 2 resistance level. That would be a 50% upswing on the next leg if we achieve kind of these scenarios, these numbers that we're looking at. Okay, so what this means is keep an eye on SHIB, and if we hit this 130 number, right, 1484, if we do continue to push down, which is possible, I've talked about this in previous videos, the fact that SHIB's going to move along with the overall crypto market. We've got this volatility going on. I think we got some profit taking for SHIB right here, right now. I think that's partly what we've got going on. Okay, but beyond that, keep your eye on that 130 level, and if we bounce back off of that, then we could be setting ourselves up for a 50% upswing on the next leg. As always, thank you for your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and please drop a like on this video if you got any value out of it. I'm here trying to help you navigate crypto. My name's Austin, and I want to help you make more money just by knowing a little bit more than you knew before you watched the video. I'll see you. Have a good one.